you are going to see about the angle of the depression problem. So your drawing should be like this, like Z. So transversal line means the angles are equal, right? So angle of depression and angle of the elevation, angles should be equal. Angle of the depression and angle of the elevations are equal becomes their alternative angles. Okay, equal angles because it is an alternative angle. Okay, let us try the what they mentioned. From the top of a rock 50√3 meter height, the angle of the depression of a car on the ground is observing to be 30 degree. Find the distance of the car from the rock. So this is where rocks, we are standing top of the rock now. We are standing top of the rock. So car is down flow. Okay, it's in the down. So what I am doing? So if you normally, how can we see? If you see means the angle should be straight line. So but what they mentioned 30 degree. So the angle is, you are normally you are seeing like this. So your angle is decreasing to this car. So it's making how much? 30 degree. And the rock, top of the rocks is height. So rocks, overall rocks height is a 50√3 m. So we already know, we already studied about the transversal. Okay, transversal means alternate. I already told, right, alternative interior angle. So in this place also I am having a 30 degree. So this is my A, this is my B, this is my C. You should draw in this place angle of the depression means you should draw this parallel line. Okay, remember to draw this, otherwise your sum will be wrong. Okay, so what I am doing, the solution I am taking in triangle. Then what they are asking, distance of the car from the rock. So this is rock, this is car. So what is the distance? They are asking AB. Okay, so in triangle A, T, C, I don't know my AB. Okay, that's adjacent side. And my height, my opposite AC is equal to 50√3 m. And my theta equal to 30 degree. My AB only I am going to find. Okay, that's only we are going to find. So what is the formula? Tan theta is equal to, in this place, what is the opposite AC? What is the adjacent AB? So tan 30 degree is equal to 50√3 by what? A, B. So we already know. So cross multiply. So tan 30 is what? 1 by √3 equal to 50√3 by AB. Now I can cross multiply. So this and this. So 1 into AB equal to 50√3 into √3. So AB is equal to 50 into √3 into √3, 3. So AB is equal to 0 into 3, 0, 3 5s are 16. So it is in this form of meter. So I need a AB. This is my rock to car distance, right? Therefore the distance of the car from the rock equal to 150 meter. Then second question, the horizontal distance to building is 70 meter. Okay, whose horizontal distance? So this is a, so two building, we are having a two building. So second question, so I am having two building like this now. So first and second building like this we are having. So whose two building, first and second. So first building, this is second building. Okay, so first and second building. So what they mention, whose distance between, okay, whose distance is a 70 meter. The angle of a depression, the top of the first building. So where the angle of the depression is represented, top of the first building, when see from the top of the second building. So if you are seeing from top of the, this is my top of the second building, your seeing from top of the second to normally how can we saw second building to first building only we can saw, right? So that's why whose angle is what? 45 degree. Normally you are standing in this place, so you can normally observing this part. So your angle is reducing like this. So what will happen? 45 degrees too. So it in this transversal line. So again I am getting a 45 degree in this place by using alternative. Okay, should remember that. And if the height of the second building is 120 meter, so what they mentioned? So its the height is what? So the total only I am taking, right? So this is my 120 meter. So what they asking? Find the height of the first building. Say they asking this h. Okay. So in this place, how can I write? If I am neglecting this h only, I am note this. So 120 minus h meter. Total is 120 meter. So but I need my h alone. That's why I'm taking my drawing like this. Okay. So what are the value I'm getting? These are my values. So I'm taking A, B, C. Okay. For my convenience, I'm taking which one is okay for you, you will take. Okay. It's okay if you have a struggle means I'm taking A, B, C, D, E. Okay. So I'm having like this. So I need my h value. That is my major concept. So solution, this is my triangle. Okay, this is also forming a 90 degree. You should remember this. In triangle ECD, what is the theta? 45 degree, right? 45 degree I am having. In this horizontal is 70 meter means obviously in this place also same 70 meter. So what is my EC? 70 meter. And what is the opposite? CD? 120 minus h meter. Okay. So how can I draw? Tan theta is equal to what is opposite? Opposite is a CD by adjacent is a AC. What is my theta? Tan 45 degree. And what is my CD? 120 minus h. And DEC 70. So what is your 45 degree? One value. So 120 minus h by 70. So cross multiply. So cross multiply to right. 1 into 70, 70 only. So 120 minus h. Okay. So in this place, what I am doing? H is moving in this place. So negative h is moving in this place. Positive. So 120. So positive 70 is moving in this place, becoming a negative 70. So subtracting this. So 0 minus 0, 0. 12 minus 7, how much it will come? Obviously 5. So what is my h? 50 meter. That's only they asking. That's only they asking, right? Therefore, the height of the first building is building is 50 meter. That's it. Okay.